Hi everybody, this is the last PowerPoint of the last samples of the school year, work samples that are due April 29th. So once you have these in, you are good, you're done as far as submitting samples to me. You still have to complete your OLS work and everything else. So for math, I have April 19th, Unit 16, Lesson 9, page 1 of, oh my gosh, page 2. There are 2 pages. Please label both pages with name, date, unit, lesson, and page numbers on both. Please, thank you. Literature and comprehension is a little bit different. It is also April 19th, Unit 18, Lesson 3. This time, though, since it is a choice, please draw a picture of the book you read or the character or something to do with the book or the story, and then just write me a sentence. You could just, if it was about the 3 pigs, you could write a sentence that says, the story had 3 pigs, or I read the 3 little pigs, or there are 3 pink pigs. Any of those would be fine. Just make sure you label it, please. For history, Unit 15, Lesson 1, again from April 19th. Just cover the wagon, or color the covered wagon. And then finally, science will be just the same thing, April 19th, but Unit 13, Lesson 21. You can glue these animal babies onto, another piece of paper. You can leave them on this. Just include both pages, please, and make sure you label both pages. I appreciate that. It really does take a lot more time if you don't label anything. And then if you only label one page, it does, it makes a really long work sample time for me. So I appreciate if you do it. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing them. Bye.